Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you I built out a React.js invoice PDF generator kind of an application, so which is running on localhost 3000. So once you load the application, the application looks something like this. So here you fill out information related to the invoice, and directly it's a single page application. Directly the invoice document will be generated. So you fill out the necessary information. You will see that. So if you need the source code of this application, the link is given in the description. You can directly purchase it, and after you purchase it, all the source code will be downloaded from Google Drive. So here you fill out the information related to the items here, such as the title and the description. You can change the price, the quantity, everything. You can add multiple items as well. So right here, you can also fill out the text and the discount rate. So calculate total amount is calculated. You click this, it will show it in the model box right here. And you review the information, click on download, and after you click the download button, automatically the PDF file will get downloaded with the required information that you submitted, such as the build, invoice information, number of items, everything is exported to PDF. So this is actually the source code of the application. We are using the latest version of React, and we are also using this JSPDF library for building this HTML to canvas. So this is actually the full directory structure. It's fully customizable. So once you get the source code, it will be easy for you to customize this, add additional features as well. And we are running this locally here by simply npm run start. So we have these scripts here to run the React project. In order to deploy this, you run this command here, npm run build. So this will actually build out this full stack invoice PDF generator kind of a web application. So you can purchase a domain name and also easily deploy this. Also make changes as well. All the files are coded directly in JSX, as you can see right here. So interface is quite simple. It's fully responsive as well, because as you can see, it looks good on desktop, mobile, tablet, everything, every device. It looks really good. You actually fill out the information such as the date of the invoice, the number of the invoice here. You will see that you fill out the necessary information like this email address, name, and then the item such as a description. You can even change the currency as well, so various currencies are also supported, so you can choose any currency of your choice. So now pound is used because we are using Britain currency. So you can do this unlimited number of times, so it's actually a single page application. How much information you do, it will save you a lot of time, because to generate invoice documents in React.js, so it's actually a full stack application. So all the source code, you can see it's coded. It's actually the full directory structure JSX files. And now if you want to build out this application, once you can even build out this application very simply and deploy this. So npm run build, then you can use any shared hosting to actually build out. So the command is simple, npm run build. So this will actually build out this entire React project and create a single folder which will create the minified code, and it will be easy for you to actually deploy this application very simply by purchasing a domain name. So you can even earn a lot of revenue as well. It's a PDF invoice generator application. So we are using JSPDF HTML to canvas library, and also we are using the latest version of React here. So if you're interested in this, the link is given in the description. So you can see it is actually building this application for production. So you will see it will create this build directory. It will once the command finishes, it will create that minified code, which will be easy for you to deploy this. So in the meantime, if you don't know about the libraries that we are using, JSPDF, if you don't know, it's a very popular library in JavaScript to create PDF documents. So we are using this, and we are also using HTML to canvas library as well, which is a screenshot based library to take the screenshots using JavaScript. So once you run the entire command npm run build, so automatically it will create this build directory. It will be easy for you to deploy this. So if you still face any issues after the payment, you can still contact me. I will definitely help you if you are not able to run or deploy the application. So the link is given in the description.